In 1820, residents of Brookfield, Vermont lashed logs together across the icy Sunset Lake. As that ice melted in the springtime, those lashed together logs became the first of what would be 8 iterations of the floating bridge here. The only wooden floating vehicle bridge in the United States. The latest was rebuilt in 2014 at a cost of $2.4 million and is expected to last about 100 years. The one prior to this, though, was built in 1936 and then rebuilt again in 1978. That one used 450-gallon barrels as flotation. As time went on, those barrels slowly took on water, and by the early 2000s, it had gotten so bad that cars going over would get a free wheel bath as water would flood the road portion under the weight of the vehicle. By 2008, it was unsafe for traffic. The flotation devices used for the bridge began with those first logs. Those were replaced with tarred barrels in 1884. By 1978, it was plastic barrels filled with styrofoam, and the latest version uses fiber-reinforced polymer pontoons, making it much easier to repair. The new bridge also has wider and higher sidewalks. The bridge is, for all intents and purposes, unnecessary. The lake is only about 800 meters by 100 meters across, easily circumnavigated by the town's population of 1,300 residents. But those residents love this bridge. It's used as an oddity to attract visitors, as well as a springboard for generations of summertime cannonballs. And judging by the fishing line and lures hanging from the power lines that parallel the bridge, it's probably going to be a great place to fish as well for the next 100 or so years. Thanks for watching, and as always, until next time, get lost.